para darnos un destrampón. En las motos, en los racers nos miran siempre al millón, levantando polvadera por la región, junto a toda la plebada para hacer montón. Con un traguito en la mano para andar bien relajados, pura etiqueta negra es el gusto de los chavalos. La capital del piteado, su tierra natal, jalisciense 100% y sedanano.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, today I'm out here at the Cuhh tires. I came to swap the tires, the front tires to the back to my car. My car's right there, and I'm over here with my boy Snowman. But today what we got going on today, guys, is we're gonna swap the tires, and I'm gonna go to Best Buy to go get phone mount to be able to record or like put it in the windshield so I can be able to hold my phone while I fucking drive. And yeah guys, that's basically today what we're gonna show you guys. We're gonna end up showing you guys a little bit more of fucking us drifting también. We're gonna drift them now too, fool. We're gonna waste those tires like I was styling, because I was styling them right now.
You're gonna let a Cuhh drive your car?
Yeah, I'm gonna let a Cuhh drive the carro right now.
Tires are gone.
The tire. So guys, so basically what I was telling him right now, we're having a conversation because those tires, the front tires on my car has a fucking they're already all gone basically, you know, they're already all done, so I gotta replace them. I gotta get new ones. But right now, since what I was thinking, I was telling them if the front ones could be able to fit in the back, so we could be able to swap them and finish these off and put them in the back and put the back ones in the front, so we could be able to finish the ones that are already almost done, you know. And I'm gonna buy another set of tires right now to fucking, so we could be able to drift and finish these, because these are already all gone from inside. You guys are not gonna be able to see it, but from inside they're already all fucking, they got wire out there. But what I was telling right here, my boy Snowman, we're having a conversation, so saying if they actually fit, like saying the front to the back, huh? Yeah. So we're saying should I buy some rims with tires right now too, spare rims, or just tires and then just fucking get the spare tire, and then whenever I want to switch them out, like I could go into the shop and switch them out. But I was telling them too that I was fucking hold on. The cookie little bird out, that's right. El tacuache Cuhh. Pero ya aquí le estaba diciendo a la gente, aquí le estaba diciendo a Snowman que le vamos a cambiar las llantas de enfrente, atrás, y las de atrás a frente para gastarlas. Ahorita vamos a ir a quemar llanta, vamos a ir a hacer, ahorita les vamos a ir a enseñar algo. We're gonna go show you guys. And yeah guys, ahorita estábamos debating to see, ahorita que vengan el señor y me diga, because I asked him a ver si tenía una semi-used ones or should we get some new ones, I don't know, but we're gonna end up buying some tires for it. But también we're looking into like getting a rim, así si tienen rines, ¿verdad, güey? Para comprarle las llantas, porque ¿tú qué opinas, güey? ¿Cómo la mejor opinión tuya, güey? Like, what do you think, bro? Should I get rims, like spare rims with tires?
Yeah.
Or should I just
you're gonna have more set of rims and tires, so you pop two, then you have the other two.
Yeah,
you know,
true.
it's better.
So I won't be able to like saying like if I pop those and not worrying about taking them off, you know, because I have another set basically, you know. Yeah, because I was looking into like getting a set of fucking spare rims, but we were looking at them over here. ¿Qué onda, primo? Sí, estoy buscando la 18. ¿No tienen de esa?
No tiene la medida de enfrente.
¿O la de enfrente?
Son diferentes.
Ya. ¿A cuál?
No, 235, 45, 18 la que tengo ahí.
¿O también sirve esa?
¿Si le cabe o no le cabe a ese rin?
Sí, de que sí.
¿Si le cabe?
Está un poquito más angosta.
¿Más chiquita?
Entonces va a mirar más el lid. ¿Sí? ¿O va a ser más chiquita?
Un poquito.
Well, it's gonna be a little smaller, way. The thickness de esto
Ajá.
va a estar más chiquito. It's gonna be instead of a 45, it's gonna be a 35.
So, ¿no se va a mirar acá en el super?
Pues that's why you can take it out so we can see it.
A ver, ahorita vamos a mirar. Even if it does look stupid, güey, nomás con que se miren las de atrás, que tengan thread, güey, que estén más grandijitas, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
Y se miren las de atrás que estén más grandijitas, y las de adelante que estén así, que se miren así, ya que tiene. De todos modos que fucking se van a mirar, nomás con que no se miren la de atrás se mire tan stupid. Ya, porque imagine si le metemos las skinny wheels in the back y en the front las fat ones, se van a mirar bien stupid, ¿verdad? So mejor meterle las back ones, the fatter ones in the back and the skinny ones in the front, so I wouldn't look that much stupid, you know. So, but yeah, that's what we're debating right now, guys, and then we're gonna end up going to Best Buy to go get that mount, because I'm holding the fucking phone and I want to fucking just like keep it in the mirror and for me to not fucking like be holding it while I'm driving or like worrying about it when we're fucking drifting, moving to the side or shit, you know. That's why I'm gonna go to Best Buy to go look at one of those. And yeah, guys, a quick little montage of where we're at, guys. Sheesh. Alright guys, we made it here to the Best Buy. We're about to enter, guys. We're about to go get the mount for the camera. Well, not for the camera, but like for the phone, you know, because I'm gonna film. I'm filming with my phone. For those of you guys that don't know, but I film here and there. I feel like I film with my camera. I got a camera also, and sometimes I film with my phone. But today it was fuck it. I'll just grab my phone. You know, really didn't have really anything in plan to do, you know. So we're just right here. We ended up buying some wheels so we could be able to burn tire right now. And yeah, guys, we're gonna stop by right here before we end up going. And then vamos a ir a quemar llanta. Aquí dice el Cuhh, va a ser el primer Cuhh que quemar llanta en un pinche drift car. You know, how's it going? But yeah, like, you know, so vamos a ir a ver si donde tienen las phone mounts. And just in case, we'll look at the camera stands too, because I might end up getting a camera stand, because I need a camera stand too. But we'll see right now, guys. We'll see. We'll see what they have here. If they don't, then we'll just look at online options or something. But no sé, that's what I'm looking for the mount. Either way, okay, mounted a camera mount. This is what I need to be able to do like the montages and stuff like that. This right here. Yeah. Mira, güey, ¿cuánto cuesta, güey? Look, guys, for my camera. This is for the camera mount. This is for the.
What is this?
Oh yeah, this is the yeah. FC. I just need one. I need one for the car though, like to go to the car, connects to the car. Yeah, like that, pero a little bit longer way. ¿Ya nomás son esos? ¿Los de allí? Or what? Okay, so basically that's what I was looking for, like, right there. That's the one thing that I was saying, so it'd be able to hold like the phone on the windshield, you know, like the little suction shit. I don't know what is it called, but like el que se pone pa pinche, se hace suck. But yeah, guys, so that's what I was fucking looking for. I'm gonna take it regardless because I need that one. I think that's the only one that they have here. But yeah, guys, then we're gonna show you guys right now. Yeah. Fucking stay tuned, man. We're gonna go share those tires right now. Sí, me lo llevo yo. Sí, me lo llevo. We're taking it, guys. ¿Allá me lo pago, ¿verdad? Okay. Alright, guys, we found a little spot right here. We're about to fucking show you guys real quick. Here it is, look. My boy's gonna try that. Y'all seen this shit? Y'all seen that shit? Roll back.
I'll do it. Just dump the clutch. Dale.
guys, you guys want to see Snowman fucking take a little spin? I know Snowman. Una más before we leave, guys. Before we leave. The homie already did his. A lot of shenanigans, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hay una troca, wey. But yeah, guys, fucking, like I said, hey, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video because we're fucking up these fucking tires right now. You know what I mean? Before we end up putting the new ones. So there you guys have a little quick little something, you know? Nothing crazy, but let's check it out.